up, YouTube? It's your boy Marcus checking in from the Fly Cleaners, and once again we back at it. But this time we're at part 2 of the Jordan 11 series. Today what we're working on is a pair of Bred 11s from 2012. We got separation here, not from the sole but from the midsole to the actual shoe. I'll show you how to properly align the Reglue on this shoe right here. Also, got real thick glue on it. Real thick gluing on it. The pods have detached. We're gonna reglue the pods and remove this real thick glue by using a method I use without working too much on my fingers and getting this glue removed. Also, we're gonna reshine the patent leather, make that look back like new, and also give it a thorough deep clean the inside and out. We don't do half, do nothing here at the Fly Cleaners. We want to try to make them get back close to new as possible. And as always, I appreciate everybody coming to check me out. You can also subscribe to me, comment, like, any questions I answer them. Also check me out on my all my products on sale on my website at theflycleanersatl.com. Also, you can follow me on my social media platforms. This is TikTok at the Fly Cleaners, and Instagram _fly_cleaners, and at Facebook _fly_cleaners. You know the logo, you know what it is. So, as always, let's get jumping right on into it, and appreciate all your positive feedback. Okay, so first we're going to start off with cleaning the whole shoe to get all the areas clean so we could prep it to remove the glue. We're going to use the drill brush as an addition to assist with cleaning of the shoe. Using acetone and cotton balls, we're going to remove all the old glue, which is necessary before applying the new glue. Here we're going to use a shoe insert to help the shoe keep its form while applying pressure on the shoe. Here we're using the Dremel to remove any excess glue from the shoe, and also to make the surface back rough, so when we apply the glue to the midsole and to the shoe, it's going to actually bond much better. Next step is to tape up the area where we just removed all the old glue from, so when we apply the patent leather paint, it won't leak down into that area and make it hard for the glue to bond to the midsole when we glue it back together. Next step is to apply the patent leather paint. When applying the paint, we want to make sure that we make smooth strokes and just let the patent leather paint fall in place. So when it dries, it will just dry smooth and evenly across the whole shoe. Now we're going to sit it up under the tent and let it dry for about 24 hours. Back to the midsole. As you can see, it has thick glue that's caked up. Also, the pod is came apart, so we're going to remove that. But before we do anything, we're going to clean it first. Clean the whole midsole, inside out, top and bottom. We're going to use acetone, cotton balls, and also some grip pliers to remove this glue. Sometimes my fingers hurt from this constantly working with this thick glue, so I just use this, put pressure on it, and it comes right on off. You can use a heat gun as well, but this is what I'm using in this video. Now we're going to use bar super stick cement glue and place it on the midsole in the pod area, and then also on the pod. After about 7 to 8 minutes of letting the glue dry, we're going to set the pod back in place. And when you put the pod in, you just want to work it in, get it up under the groove, and just set it in place, and it usually just sticks together. After 24 hours of sitting up under the tent and letting the patent leather paint dry on the shoe, here's the finished results. Now we're going to take a small brush and apply bar super stick cement glue to the shoe, carefully applying it and making sure that we get in all the cracks, little small grooves of the shoe. So when we bond it back to the midsole, it won't be any air spots or any gaps, and the shoe will fully stick together. Now we're at the final step, gluing the shoe back to the midsole. First, we're going to heat up the toe cap area of the midsole, and then we're going to heat up the toe cap area of the shoe. We're doing this to make sure that we glue it from the front and get it even by just getting that toe cap applied first. And once we get that, we can work our way through the rest of the shoe. toe area has sealed, and now we're going to work our way through the rest of the shoe by heating it up section by section and patiently lining the midsole along the grooves of the shoe. Now look at the finished results of these 2012 Bred 11s. We reshined the patent leather and then gave it a full reglue from the midsole, and just got these things looking back like new. So as always, appreciate everybody coming to check me out. Always remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and any questions I answer. And don't forget to follow me on all my major platforms. TikTok at The Fly Cleaners, Facebook and Instagram, _fly_cleaners. Visit my website at theflycleanersatl.com. Thanks again for checking in, and stay tuned for more.